most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heine, physical therapist.
Together, we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In Alpena, of course, Bob.
Your posture is way worse than you think, and we can prove it. We actually just experienced this ourselves. That's why we were doing a video on this. By the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, you want to join us on our social media channels and our website, because if you go to bobandbrad.com and go to the giveaway section, we're always giving something away. Right now, we're giving away the RENPHO white noise machine, kind of a cool speaker system that has a lot of noises and sounds that'll help you sleep.
Right, a lot of options.
A lot of options, yep. And you can also go to Facebook. You'll find it on Bob and Brad, pinned to the top of the page. You want a shorter version of us, go to Twitter or Instagram. We have a 60-second version of our program every day.
There you go, Bob.
So Brad and I just did a video recently on biking. And I was trying to take a picture of Brad for Instagram.
You called me Brad. It's Brad. See what I'm talking about?
We eat bread, we watch Brad. So he's on the bike, and I'm telling him to kind of straighten up. He's like, and you think you are straight, right?
Yeah, I was on the bike on a trainer, so stationary. And then I go look at the camera at the picture of myself, and I said, yeah, that's not me.
It doesn't
I look
compute.
terrible.
Right.
My back is round like the Hunchback of Notre Dame.
And that's quite often how you discover it. You'll see it through a picture. You'll see it through video.
Right.
And we discovered when we first started doing these videos that our posture was bad.
Yeah, it's like we've got to get the information out.
So the problem is your body has kind of little proprioceptors that kind of tell you where you are in space.
Sure.
And when you sit for a long time, or you sit throughout the days, after a while, this feels normal to you. This feels abnormal to you, to be straight. So you really need feedback in some form or fashion in order to stop this. So one thing that I recommend, Brad, is really actually just have video. Someone videotape you from the side when you're walking or standing or sitting.
Sure.
And you may be surprised. I mean, the other one video that we just did, I was doing push-ups. And I thought I was straight as a board. And Brad keeps telling me to lift up your head, straighten out. And then I saw it afterwards. I looked like a turtle.
Yeah.
I mean, it was so bad.
Yeah, even the viewers noticed.
I know, all the viewers know. Exactly. So you do the video originally just to kind of see what your baseline is. But then these are some daily corrections you can do, or things to help you correct your day.
Sure.
And this was, I actually did this by mistake. My desk was set up in one of our bedrooms, and it had a mirror on the side that my daughter used to use.
Oh, and it was full body ones?
Yeah, full body one. Just to, you can buy them for a few bucks. They got those. So you set up the mirror on the side of you, where you do your work.
Yeah.
And I look over once in a while, like, I'm
sorry.
Oh, crap!
That's a family show, Bob.
How did I do that? Can you block that out?
Yeah.
I don't
edit it.
Oh shoot! I said, oh shoot.
Yeah, sure. Carry on.
So anyway, I look over every once in a while, like, oh crap, I'm really bent over.
Yeah,
so. It's something that sneaks up on you, and unless you correct it constantly, it's going to get you down. So next one is that these are some of the things you can check without having a mirror. So when you're standing, one thing to see whether or not your shoulders are rounded out forward, see where your palms are. If your palms, if you're standing up nice and straight, shoulders are back, the palms are going to face you.
My palms are on my hands.
Yeah.
So you're saying
face your body.
So like this.
Right. But if you're rounded out, they're actually going to come forward like this. Right. So just let them hang naturally. And you can see if I curl my shoulders forward, right away the hands go forward.
Sure.
So very simple. Brad's going to show you the wall test that you can do.
Oh, yeah.
So you're going to stand about 6 inches away from the wall with the heels.
Right here.
There you go.
That's a foot. It doesn't have to be exactly 6.
Right, 6 inches to a
ballpark.
foot. Yeah. So now this is the key here, where are you able to get your head back without bending back like this? Can you go back just straight back like this, with the chin level?
And my shoulders are still rounded forward.
Still shoulders are rounded back too. So can you bring his arms up like this, and maintain contact with all points? This shouldn't be arched more than 2 inches, and you're actually arched a
I
little bit
am.
more.
I'm really tight today, Bob.
So he is not. He's got some areas he's got to work on, and I would say it's mostly up here, isn't
Yeah.
it? Up in the
But I
shoulder.
was on vacation for 5 days,
Right.
and I didn't do my exercises. I gotta confess, but I had a
Right.
lot of fun.
So yeah, if he was stretched out the way he should be, this would be actually less of a gap here.
Yeah.
There'd be less than an inch
I'm
gap,
working to maintain
less than an
this.
inch gap up here. But yeah, and so you got a little work to do. You got to get back at
You're
it.
exactly right, Bob.
So,
I
but these are some
took
of
a
the things
break.
that give you, like I said, you can check it every so often to see where where you are at, what your baseline is. It was a short video today. If you want some videos on posture correction, we have lots of them. Just put Bob and
Yes, we
Brad.
do a
Uh,
lot of tricks, a lot of exercises. That's just it's one thing we'll continue to work on, Bob.
But it starts all with knowing where you're at.
Mm.
I mean, if you don't think you even have a problem, you're not going to try to correct it. So
Right.
that's why
Exactly.
check these out, see where you lie. Remember,
Right.
Brad and I are not just pretty.
We're pretty ugly.
Yeah, we're
something
pretty helpful.
helpful.
There we go. He's finally
Yeah.
getting it.
So not only just hug your kids, but make sure you hug them and then say, "Watch your."
That's right. Be a good parent.